Save external documents and images against your product's record via the Attachments tab. Use the grey space to drag and drop files from your device and save them against the product record, or use the Browse Local Files or search Uploaded Files to allocate documents from your device or your account's file library. We currently support uploading of the following file types. Individual files can be a maximum of 20 megabytes in size. Entities can have a maximum of 50 files attached to them, and an individual file can be attached to 50 entities. Used and remaining storage is displayed underneath the attachments on all entities. If you've uploaded an image, use the action cog on the far right of the tab's layout to allocate a default image and default label image of the product. The images selected as your defaults will then be used in the View Products page, and Doc Designer templates printed for your product's transactions and labels were included. You can delete or detach files via the Attachments tab. If you click to delete, you will receive a pop-up warning. This is also the case if you attempt to delete a file that is attached to other entities. Thanks for watching.